My name is Marie Panken. I'm Dutch and I graduated in 2020 from the Design Academy Eindhoven. At Kazerne I present two projects, the moving alphabet and type out. The moving alphabet focuses around the question, should we still teach children how to write by hand or should we switch to typing? And this is something which is actually currently discussed in primary education in the Netherlands. I think that a lot of people don't understand fully what a switch to typing really implicates, especially because our entire education system is actually based on reading and writing. So to change the way that we learn that really changes the entire way we teach. And what I try to do in the moving alphabet is make this question more tangible and maybe more experienceable. It's basically a typeface, but not based on the shape of a letter, but based on the movement of a letter. So you're reading the movement of your hands, the movement both of handwriting and the movement of typing. And by this I try to illustrate more clearly what are actually the differences between these two tools, so to say. Yeah. And in type out, this is more of a documentation tool. So I use this typewriter and a big roll of paper to every day during my graduation process type out a description of my project. And by doing this on a typewriter where there's no going back, there's no scrolling, there's no deleting, there's no copy paste, I realized how much the way that we write actually also influences the way that our thoughts are structured. This made me it really helped to make my thoughts very clear and concise, especially. And this is actually more of the inspiration for my other graduation project, which is Type of Thought, and that one revolves around how our way of writing can be used to influence our way of thinking. Yeah. I think specifically during graduation, the biggest challenge was time. There's such time pressure in this period. You have 5 months to do the research, to implement research into a design, and to then also make it presentable. And it's just, yeah, time pressure was definitely the main struggle. A positive of the pandemic and being stuck at home was that I had a lot of space to do a lot of focused reading and research. So I think these projects have a more solid theoretical base than I ever had in my projects before. Yeah. So what I'm most interested in is continuing on type of thought. So how can our writing influence our thinking? And for this I really see implementing a lot of different kinds of keyboards that actually train your thinking in different ways. First step would be to go really experimental with this very big, make a lot of crazy keyboards, I would say, but after eventually it would be great to have something that you can actually implement into everyday use. Yeah. In 5 years, if I'm aspirational, I would see myself being really in the lead designers when it comes to designing with language. And have a very clear direction and studio with that, and preferably also working in a space where there's a lot of other creatives around, and not being by myself somewhere, but really have a group of people that are good. Yeah. Tips for fellow students, I think, would be to wherever you are at the moment, if it's a student or just graduated or whatever, to really take your own work very seriously, because if you don't take your own work very seriously, then it's very hard to get other people to do so. Yeah, so that would be my tip.